Hey everyone, welcome to Turbo Vlogs. So today I have a special product for you. This is a mini rice cooker that I have got on Amazon. I have got it under 2000. It was around 1600. This is like half-liter cooker, and I wanted this specifically to cook on my solar energy because it consumes very less power than the normal rice cooker. I already have a bigger one, but I just wanted to buy a smaller one just to cook from the solar. And let's start opening just to showcase you on the outer side. So they have given the branding details and everything, and this is a made in China product. They also have other products that they have mentioned, so each one varies with the watt plus the size. So let us open it. Here also they have mentioned that this is a 300 watt, and the MRP here they have mentioned 2800. Also this is manufactured in People's Republic of China, which is China itself. So PRC or China, both are same. And I already see a kind of outer tape. This is not inside, this is outside. So I'm considering this is never opened before. So inside you get a thermocol covered, and once you remove that, you get the parts of the cooker. You have the lid, you have the measuring cup. So this measuring cup can help you to measure your rice plus water, and you have a power cord to connect to the cooker. Also you've been given with the instruction manual on how to use this cooker, and last the cooker itself. And so this is a small cooker, like compact cooker. If you are living in any hostel and or you're traveling, this is the best way to cook. This is the size of the cooker. You can around cook for 2 people in this max. But if you are single person, and this is a non-stick pan, like when you compare it with the other rice cookers, so you can even cook other items like biryani, pulao, or any other curries, but you might need to keep it whole day. So let me keep it everything and showcase you how it looks. So as you can see, this is the size of the cooker. So it is almost like this much, 6 inches tall. So and I really like the build quality. It is a strong build quality compared to other cheaply available rice cookers in this category. So if you are someone who is looking to cook through low power inverter, or if you are staying in a hostel and you want to cook for yourself, and also if you are looking to have a portable small cooker for travel purpose, then you can opt. But keep in mind, since this is a low power cooker, it will cook your food for a while. Like for example, in your normal rice cooker, if it is taking 15 minutes, this will take 30 minutes to cook. So keep that in mind, and you need to have little patience in the small cookers because the wattage is very low. And if you are having that patience and time, so definitely this is something you can take if you are looking to cook on solar panels with the inverter. That's what I'm going to do. So probably I will make another video how I will cook through the solar. You can subscribe to my channel, or visit my channel for much more relevant tech videos like this. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.